What is going on, everybody? Today is 7/26/2021. This is my Monday of trading. Yeah, today's Monday. All right. Today was a pretty good day. Throughout the weekend, I spent a lot of time, studying my trades. Studying charts. Charting everything up, and I also spent a lot of time, reading all about like trading psychology stuff like that, because I realized in a lot of my trades, I usually get the psychological part of it get the best of me sometimes. Like like I may have really good setups to play. Like I'll show you guys an example. Chewy, Chewy dudes. Chewy was really crazy today too, but I didn't play it, bro. I clearly seen Chewy break this level here the other day, and I didn't play it. On Friday, I didn't play it. I could have played it right here off this level I had right here, and I didn't play it. It's just like many examples that I never pull the trigger when my when my edge is there. You know what I'm saying? I was listening to Mark Douglas, and like there was just so many things that I was learning off that presentation he had. But one thing that he said that really stuck with me is that when you have an edge as a trader, let's say your edge is like your best probable trade. So based on how I trade, I feel like my edge in the market is I find news really fast. I get lots of call flow slash put flow really fast as well, instantaneously for the most part, and I'm able to react to news really fast. So that's my edge right there. Now that included with good TA, technical analysis, I feel like if I have those two combos, like um I could do really well. And for the most part, when I follow those two principles, I do really good. When I do when I trade just news and call flow without TA, it doesn't work out as good. Everything has to work out based on my trading style. My trading style is news slash TA slash call buying, and it all mixes up to like the criteria I have that I know can be a good trade. And it might sound kind of weird and like confusing, but everybody has their specific way of trading. You know what I'm saying? Like some people are swing traders, some people scalp, some people play off news, some people do strictly TA, and I'm really into TA as well. But when you mix a TA with like a software like black box stocks that you could get call flow coming in like right away. Like I could give you guys an example. Like Snapchat had like $2 million worth of the 76 calls bought like right here at the bottom, literally weeklies, and I literally bought the bottom. I was letting these contracts ride, and you know what I'm saying. I made a neat profit. I made a $40 profit. The high on these contracts were crazy, but at the same time, like what I learned this week is that I have to trust my charts. My edges the are gonna come with the way I trade and how good I trade. Using those edges. And my specific edge, like I said, is new slash TA. So then, if you combine all of these things, you could get a really good you could get a really good probability that the trade might work out. And like to be honest, when you take a trade, you don't really know if it's gonna work out or not. So if the trade is in your if the trade is within your edge and it's looking good, like you have to play it. I'll give you another great example. Zoom. Zoom played right above my call level in the morning. It dipped down a little bit and it came back up and then it started forming this flag. And I was watching it for a little bit. It was above my call level, and I sometimes do get uncomfortable playing it once it's above because I feel like I missed a move. But obviously the TA here is showing me that there's a bigger opportunity that's in hand for the day. And that's exactly what Zoom did. It just broke out of that flag, started consolidating, broke out again, and just started going up little by little. And then, you know what I'm saying? It turned out to be a really good winner for the day. And, you know what I'm saying? Market sentiment is gonna always let you know if something's working out or not. Like if there was news saying that the Delta variant isn't as strong, obviously Zoom will fall and like these TA patterns wouldn't form. But due to like due to the environment and the edges I've created through through my own plan for my trading days, I could see that Zoom can run for this day because you know what I'm saying. There is more virus scares, and you know what I'm saying, like kids need to go to school. Plus the TA lines up. Plus there was like about 300K worth of calls being bought literally right here at this bottom right here. I didn't play it, but this is another great example that you have to trust your edge. Like you can't just go blind into the market. You have to have something that is gonna give you a probable edge. You don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know what's gonna happen during the trade, but as long as you use a probable edge within 10 to 20 trades, you know what I'm saying, you will have a winner there because you are using your edge. If you don't have an edge, then the market has all the leverage on you. You know what I'm saying? You have to have something that you have to have something with you, not against you. You know what I'm saying? You have to have a piece of the market with you, not against you. It's really hard to explain. If you guys want to learn more, go listen to Mark Douglas. I'm gonna go read some of his more lectures. Like I think he has some books and stuff like that. But besides that, like it really showed me that I just need to trust my TA and the way I trade, and you know what I'm saying, just let it fly because at the end of the day, we just do not know what's gonna happen when once you press that buy button right there. We don't know what's happening. So you might as well go for it, and that's exactly what I did. Now this is the extreme example because this just started ripping crazy, and I was looking at this early market due to the fact that this stock has been quiet for a minute, and this usually has some really crazy uptrends. I was looking at the 130 contracts, the July 30th 130 contracts. Right now they're at 135, but I was looking at them at like 50 cents in the morning, like at 9 something, like at 9 o'clock, and I was like, yo, these contracts are really cheap. Give me a second. I was like, yo, these contracts are really cheap, and this stock is a really big mover. So I decided to pull the trigger really early. Um, I think off the break of this candle right here, off the break of like this level right here from Friday, and I just let those contracts rock. And at one point, I think I was a little bit down. No, I wasn't down, but like this UPST stock moves crazy, so the position was moving crazy, and I didn't even have a lot of contracts because the way I trade, I don't like taking a lot of contracts because I like to see confirmation in the market, and I know when to take larger contracts or like take less contracts. And on this situation right here, I decided to take only five at 70 cents. Now these went from 70 all the way to almost $2 a piece within an hour. No, yeah, within an hour basically, or like less than an hour. And this was probably one of my best trades of the month right here, just off the fact that I just listened to to my TA right here, and listened to the dark pools coming in, and took advantage of the opportunity that's in front of me. There's a lot of times that I don't take advantage of the opportunity that's in front of me because I'm afraid of what's gonna happen during the trade, when that should never happen, because you should never be afraid on what's the outcome of the trade, because we're always gonna have losers and we're always gonna have winners. Those two variables are always gonna happen. We're always gonna have a winner. We're always gonna have a loser, right? So if it's gonna happen, at least try to get into setups that give you a certain edge within the market, brother. Like try to find your plan. Try to find your risk management. Um, Let me see. accept the risk you are gonna take within the trade, and just take it. If it works out, great. It's a home run. That's great. But at the same time, like, all you gotta do is just keep following your own system, and not trade blindly, because trading blindly is something that could get your account blown up. And I've done that a lot last year when I first started learning how to trade. Like, I was just trading off, off price. Well, not price action, but like, to be honest, I was just trading off FOMO last year. To be honest, I will find the hottest stock, and then see if I could, like, take out like two or three candles with like 15 to 20 contracts with like a $2,000 position, not realizing that I had no risk management at all, and all I was looking at is the profits to be made. But at the same time, I was also looking at the the amount of risk I was taking. So then I would get out of trade super early. I would not let them ride at all. I would do like all these dumb things that you shouldn't do as a trader. I didn't have any risk management, and that's, to me, I feel like risk management is the best thing you can have as a trader. Because at the end of the day, if you let one trade knock out your whole entire account, literally, that literally makes no sense. Because that's like saying, you were like, hold on, give me an example. All right, that's like saying if you're going to a baseball game, and you're trying to figure out which pitch is gonna be the home run. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't know at all. So it's better to take smaller trades and get base hits, because one of those base hits are gonna turn into a grand slam, and that's clearly what you can see that happened on Friday. I had Roku contracts when it was all the way down here for like pennies, bro. Literally pennies, and those contracts busted to like $2,600 a piece, bro. I literally made $26. I literally made a $26 profit on Friday on a stock that moved almost $50. And if I had the same thinking that I have now, which obviously my trading isn't gonna trade isn't gonna change within a day, but if I had that same thing that I had on Friday, I probably could have bought $400 worth of contracts right here, which $400 isn't a lot of money. I put $400 into this UPST trade right here, and I made 235. And the crazy thing is that I hesitated, and I thought that I knew what was gonna happen in the market, and I sold out right away once I saw a green position, which was not a good thing to do, because at the end of the day, if something's working out in your favor, why the hell would you want to get out? You want your winners to keep on winning, and your losers to be cut short really fast. And I didn't do that. I actually took out most of my UPST position in the beginning right there. You know what I'm saying? If I would have left all of those contracts right there, I would have came up like what, $500, $600 right there in that one single trade with like $300. Like, that shit's crazy. And that's just one example. Look at Roku. Like I said on Friday, like, that shit is crazy. It literally just moved those $300 from $300 to, like, if I would have got them at 70 cents, $300, I would have made like 10 racks with like $300 to $400. Like, that shit is crazy. That shit is insane to me. And obviously, you have to take profits within like the parameters of the trade. Like, obviously, right here, you probably take a contract out, another one right here, or maybe just set a trailing stop loss and waiting to see when the market decides to stop you out. Now, I haven't implemented trailing stop losses to my trading yet, because, like, I don't know, trading stop losses are kind of weird on TOS, and I'm not able to work with them on paper trading or on demand, because, like, they don't work at all. Like, I don't know why it doesn't work on TOS. But besides that, I did try to do it live today with one contract. I'll show you guys. LCID. I took this LCID trade because I've been trading CCIV for the past week. Like, it's been having a lot of ups and downs. For the most part, I've been trading on the put side, and I knew once it split and the merger was completed, like there was gonna be a lot of FOMO into the stock, and also this was also just by experience that I knew that these contracts are gonna open up super cheap, like crazy cheap. Because the same thing happened with Roblox. Same thing happened with what else Coin. Like all these newer companies that came out this year, like the option chain is always messed up, and I've learned how to snake the chain. So then I played this. I got these 20. Hold on. I got these 26, these 27s at, let's see, 27s at 85. I only got one right there. I only got one at 85. Right there, 85 around here. No, around here, 85. And then I sold right there at the hod. I was gonna buy two of them, but I only bought one to test the waters, and the price came back down, and then it started ripping again. But besides that, let me show you my trailing stop loss. This was really crazy though because it actually filled me out really good. I think I I think I bought up here at, see, a dollar. No. I bought at 110, bro. I bought at 110, which was kind of high, to be honest. And the price went to 125 like really fast, but I wasn't able to get filled out right there, and I thought like the price was just gonna keep on increasing. But out of nowhere, like this huge candle came out of nowhere, and I had a trailing stop loss at a dollar, and it filled me out right away, a $20 L. But at the end of the day, it filled me out at such a good price because look at this candle, it just straight shitted all the way down to 80 cents. So it saved me. I mean, obviously, if I had it as a single order, I probably could have got out here, but I was looking for a bigger move here, and yeah, it got me out at a dollar, which was great. So I think I'm gonna start implementing it day by day, so then I can maximize my profits. Yeah, so then I took this LCID. I took I took NCLH. Now there was news about this, about them starting their cruises again. I took the first couple candles right here, and it just straight dumped on me. Came back to the pre-market level right here, and bounced straight off that right there. Overcame that level that it dumped at. I don't know why it started dumping out of nowhere. These contracts actually went crazy. Let me see. I had the 25 calls. So they went from 48 cents all the way to 98, which well, I was negative 15 cuz I bought another one up here, which I shouldn't have. Should have just bought my position right here, due to like all these TA lines that I had. I should have just bought it here and just chilled and just seen what happened. But no, I got greedy. I was up like $27, and then I bought back up here. It started dumping on me crazy, and then it literally just came back straight back to like the lot of day, and these contracts just started ripping out of nowhere. This was a really good trade, but this fake out in the morning definitely shook a lot of people out. But if you were still here to to see the whole move happen, especially like with all the call volume that was stepping in, and the dark pool levels that was forming down here, you could have banked the easy from 50 to 133, almost 200% right there, which was a really good trade, and it was moving quite smoothly for like a for like a cruise stock. You know what I'm saying? 5% for the day. Um, I took Penn. Now Penn was a trade that I probably should have capitalized off in more. There was news about the Barstool Sports president. He announced something that there was gonna be great news about the stock, I guess, tomorrow, and it started ripping right here. I wasn't trusting these candles at first, but I probably should have took it off the break of this line right here, which I put it here, and I still didn't take it. I kind of took it up here, like off like one of these breaks, but I could have maximized off this position way better than I did. and I probably could have got like 300 to 400% right there. I probably could have dumped $500 in there and turned it to 1,500 real fast if I would have just trust these levels. But you know, at the end of the day, it's fine. I came out with a $70 dub. You know what I'm saying? Everything doesn't have to be a home run at all. Like as long as you get like your position, and you know what I'm saying. But right there, I hesitated, which I shouldn't have. That's what Mark Douglas says. Don't hesitate. If I didn't hesitate, I would have came up crazy. So then we have Snap. So I took Snap because wait, I think I told you guys about Snap, but I'm gonna say it anyways. There was news on like one of their like a new feature, and so somebody bought Snap like down here or like $2.6 million worth of calls. I played it all the way up here, and yeah, yeah, I think I talked about that already. Let's see what else. What was it? Viacom. Viacom was just a small news pop. Walmart as well. That's pretty much it. We could talk about Coin. I took a $10 L because I was practicing my trail stop again, and I got stopped out because Coin has like weird volatility issues, especially with the contracts. So I'm probably not gonna use a trailing loss on Coin. I'm gonna just use I'm gonna just stay manual with it because like the volatility is crazy. And that was a $10 L right there, but I was up like 25 at one point, but I just let it rock. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, TTD. I took TTD off the break of no. I actually took it up here, which I shouldn't have. I should have probably played it off the bounce of this right here and in the morning. That would have been a really good trade right here. Almost $2 right there. I bought at the hod, which I shouldn't have once again, and yeah. I'm holding the contract because TTD can move crazy, and it could probably overcome this level if the market stays bullish. You know what I'm saying? It's like kind of forming a little flag right here. If you guys can see this, form a little Q flag. Wait, what? A little Q flag right there, maybe. Yawn. Okay. No, alright, sorry. Bro, I don't even know what I'm saying. Alright, so that's it. That was the day. Ended up the day 368 up. Low key, I was up $500 at one point of the day, but at the end of the day, bro, a green day is a bust day. You know what I'm saying? Um, if you guys haven't checked out the Mark Douglas videos, I definitely advise you guys to do so. You know what I'm saying? We have to trust our setups. We have to trust the environment. And you know what I'm saying? If everything is on go, you know what I'm saying? You shouldn't hesitate to press that button, even if it's a win or lose. You gotta you use your edge within the market. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys had a great day and a green day, and I hope you guys have a green day tomorrow as well. Peace out, guys.